The beginning of everything, the Big Bang. The idea that the universe started suddenly born isn't infinite. Up to the middle of the 20th century, most of the scientists thought of the universe as a static, ageless object. Always been and always will be. But the Big Bang theory changed our way we're seeing things forever. And we start to have more questions about the universe. One of them, how everything exists and why there is anything at all. The more curious we get about the great cosmos unknowns, the more unanswered questions our investigation of the universe will reveal, inquiring about the nature of anything, where it came from, and how it came to be, will inevitably lead you to the same great mysterious about the ultimate nature and origin of the universe, and everything in it. Yet, no matter how far back we go, there are the same lingering questions always seem to remain at some point. The entities that our starting point didn't necessarily exist, so how did they came to be, and where they came from?
Today, when we look out at the universe, the full suite of observation we have collected, even with the known uncertainties taken into account, all points toward a remarkably consistent picture. Our universe is made of matter rather than antimatter, obey the same laws of physics everywhere and at all time, and began, at least as we know, with a hot Big Bang some 13 billion years ago. It's governed by general relativity, it's expanding and cooling, and it is dominated by dark energy 68% and dark matter 27%, with normal matter, neutrons and radiation making up the rest. Today, of course, it is full of galaxies, stars, planets, heavy elements, and in at least one location, intelligent and technologically advanced life. This structure weren't always there, but rather appear as a result of cosmic evolution. In a remarkable scientific leap, 20th century scientists were able to reconstruct the timeline for how our universe went from a mostly uniform universe devoid of complex structure and consisting exclusively of hydrogen and helium to the structure-rich universe we have today. The life we have today comes from complex molecules, which must have arisen from the atoms of the periodic table, the raw ingredients that make up all the normal matter we have in the universe today. The universe weren't born with this matter. Instead, they require multiple generations of stars living and dying with the product of their nuclear reaction recycled into future generation of stars. Without this, planets and complex chemistry wouldn't be able to exist. In order to form modern stars and galaxies, we need gravitation to pull small galaxies and stars clusters into one another, creating large galaxies and triggering new waves of stars formation, which require pre-existing collection of mass created from gravitational growth, which require dark matter to form early on, preventing stars from ejecting that matter back into intergalactic medium, which require the right balance of normal matter, dark matter, and radiation to give rise of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the light element formed in the hot Big Bang, and the pattern we see in them, which required initial seed density to gravity grow into this structure, which requires some way of creating this, along with some way of creating dark matter and creating the initial amount of normal matter. To explain how all of this started, we have two answers, aren't we? The universe came out of nothing for no reason at all, or that everything was always been around, well, forever. And both options are absolutely mental disasters, but one of them has to be true, at least according to our small brains. Other answers that will not win the Nobel Prize will be like, God did it, you foolish, okay, well then what did God? And the second, maybe we so stupid to figure it out, even so we have to think about something, so we do it anyway. Back to the Big Bang. The Big Bang isn't a bang by any means, it is more like an inflation of matter. The universe were already there, it is just expanded, so the Big Bang isn't how the matter came to be, then how? Let's examine our theories. The universe came from nothing for no reason at all. There's always weird stuff that happen all the time. Why that can't apply to the universe? We don't have any solid evidence on how nothing even looks like. And the answer will be, it doesn't work like that. But this answer have a lot of fun ideas. What if the universe is one who calling itself the universe from the future, creating new universes? When it dies, it make new universes. That's madness. How the cause calls itself. Killing your grandfather, well, you can't exist to kill him in the first place. Paradoxes, you know? But maybe modern physics might allow for it. Universe might not care about the time going backward, as long as everything match up. If your father exists after you killed your grandfather, so you will exist. No paradoxes, no problem. The second theory we have is the universe like things. What if the property of nothing that creates stuff? You know, as I said, we don't even know how nothing looks like. And if you know, you will win a Nobel Prize, I guess. And please send me a picture. So what if nature without nothing was stuff? Because that's property of nothing. That's one of its qualities. That's an interesting one, and I really want to make a whole video about it, but I'm gonna talk about it anyway in this video, and I will make a future video about it. This says that the universe will make itself again and again and again, forever and ever and ever and ever without stop, and the time we have never ends, and it's never began in the first place. Is that even possible? Maybe. Mathematics allow for infinites, but we don't see infinities in nature. That is right. But maybe the universe itself is the one and only infinity we have. Nature turned out to be completely insane before. Why not again? What if something had always been here? Is it even possible to think about that? Think about it, because it is really beautiful. At least for me. That's because the beauty of the cosmos will never reveal itself to the fullest until we search about it first. Okay, if you like this video, give me a like and tell me what is your opinion in the comments. I will go in more details about the last part in coming video. So subscribe if you liked this video, give it a like, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you later.